Hi, welcome back to class. I saw this question on trigonometric proofs and I would like to share it with you, my audience. Don't worry, I'll take it step by step. That way, you get familiar with trigonometric identities. That said, let's get into class. Our question says that we are to prove the cut of 2x equals half cotx plus tanx. Now, the first thing I want you to appreciate is that cotx is the same thing as 1 over tanx. Remember, tanx is the same thing as sine x over cos x. So that cot x now is the same thing as cos x over sine x. In this context, we are looking at cot 2x. So I'll just put 2x in place of x. We're talking of cos 2x over sine 2x. Now let's get a definition for cos 2x and sine 2x. Now remember that cos A plus B is the same thing as cos A plus B minus sine A sine B. So that if A is equals to B and B is equals to X, that is both of them are equals to X, then we'll be talking in terms of cos 2x. That's X plus X. This will be equals to cos X times cos X, that will be cos squared X minus sine squared X. Now, remember again that sine A plus B is equals to sine A plus B plus sine A sine B. So that once again, if A is equals to B and B is equals to X, then we'll be left with sine 2x. This will be equals to sine X cos X plus sine X cos X. So that sine 2x is the same thing as 2 sine X cos X. Now, I've been able to establish that cot 2x that we have here is the same thing as cos x over sine 2x. And we've been able to find that cos 2x is the same thing as cos squared x minus sine squared x. And sine 2x is the same thing as 2 sine x cos x. So I can rewrite this in this form. Cos 2x is the same thing as cos 2x over sine 2x. And this is the same thing as cos squared x minus sine squared x over 2 sine x cos x. Now this is the first thing. Let's take another slide. Now I have simply rewritten this from my equation. If you look at it carefully, this is cot 2x is equals to cos squared x minus sine squared x over 2 sine x cos x. I've simply rewritten that. I can break this down to look like this. Cot 2x will now be equals to cos squared x over 2 sine x cos x minus sine squared x over 2 sine x cos x. So this is the same thing as, if you look at here carefully, I have cos x can cancel one of these, sine x also can cancel one of these. So cos 2x, I'm left with cos x over 2 sine x minus sine x over 2 cos x. 2 is unique, so I can bring out that 2, that is half into cos x over sine x minus sine x over cos x. Once again, you remember that our cos x over sine x is the same thing as cot x. So I can simply close this to be half cot x, the bracket, minus sine x over cos x, that's tan x. If you look at this is closely related to what we had to prove. So we've been able to show that cot 2x is the same thing as half cot x minus tan x. Thank you for staying with us and see you in our next class.